My name is Adesiji, a senior developer advocate here at Circle. In this video, we'll set up our development environment by cloning the third web template repository, installing the necessary dependencies, and adding the necessary information required to run the template script. The third web team has prepared this repository to help you get started building, and it's available on GitHub. We'll be going through this code in this series. To get started, navigate to this GitHub address where you clone the repository. To clone the repository from the given address, follow these few steps. First, open your terminal or command prompt. Then navigate to the project folder where you want to clone this repository. Then press enter to execute this command. This will initiate the cloning process and the repository will be copied to your local machine in the specific project folder. Please ensure that you have Git installed on your system before running this git clone command. After completing this step, you need to install the dependencies. This ensures that you have all the necessary packages and libraries to run the script smoothly. While you are still in the project directory in the terminal, run the following command. This will initiate the installation process and the Node Package Manager will fetch and install all the required dependencies listed in this project package.json file. Make sure you have Node.js installed on your system before running this particular command. Similarly, you can also use yarn. This next step is to get your wallet's private key from your wallet. I'm using MetaMask, so I will head over to my account to fetch my wallet's private key. You can get your private key in your account details section. Please ensure that this is stored securely. You should never share this with anyone. In the project folder, create a file called .env and add your private key as shown. Replace the string your private key with your original private key. And there you have it. In this video, we're able to set up everything needed to run the sample script. In the next videos to come, we'll review the code in this script to help you understand CCTP using the protocol to transfer USDC from Ethereum to Avalanche. You can follow along writing the code side by side as you watch this video to help you understand the function of each line of code before integrating into your application. Thank you for watching, and my name is Blessing.